Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, which is the smallest number that is a perfect square and which can be divided by 2, 6, 14 and 147. Now to solve this, we have to find the same number which is the perfect square and which can be divided by 2, 6, 14 and 147. So firstly we need to find the least common multiple of 2, 6, 14 and 147. And the least common multiple of this is 294. Okay. Now the smallest number that is divisible by, this one is the smallest number that is divisible by 2, 6, 14 and 147. The smallest number that is divisible by 2, 6, 14 and 147 is 294. Okay. But this 294 is not a square, but it is not a perfect square as the prime factors are not paired. As the prime factors are not paired, okay, because this 294 is 2 into 3 into 7 into 7. Okay. Now to make it a square, multiply 294 by, here we can observe that 7 is in the pair, okay, that 2 by 3 is not in the pair. So to make a square, let's multiply this 294 by 2 by 3 so that the perfect square is made. Okay. That is 2 into 3 into 7 into 7, and we need to multiply this 2 into 3 again. So it is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Okay. Into 3 into 7 into 7. So it is 1764. Hence, the required smallest number, which is a perfect square, is, hence the required number is 1764.